My name is Ghianna, but mostly everybody just calls me G. I always had a love for food. That's the only thing that really brought my family together. At the end of the day, at night, holidays, Thanksgiving is a really big part of our tradition. Working with people from Mount Farms, a sustainable local farm who helps grow our community by feeding them, and then also seeing restaurants such as Town by Chef Ed Kenny and seeing how he's transformed that food. Really kind of like, wow, I really want to feed my community and also be a part of, growing them and helping them. I knew that I made the right decision to come to Leeward Community College. I definitely got influenced to come here, see my mom, them graduate and further their careers through that. But I knew that it was the right decision for me is when I actually took the compass test. It was a question about how do you malama your community. It started thinking like, why should what I want to do in creating a restaurant only benefit me? It got me thinking on a bigger spectrum of settling up somewhere in Y9. Being from Y9, we don't have much, so utilizing what we have and making something of it, would be tremendous for us. You only bring home the food and they're like, oh wow, it's so amazing, but they don't see what it takes. So you have to set up your meals, your stations, you have everything in its place for when you need it. And then the actual cooking, what steps take, and then the actual plating, seeing the end result and it came out exactly how you wanted it is a very accomplishing feeling, like I made that. It really is a great experience. Classes are smaller, so you get way more out of it. Right now is definitely the time to take advantage of everything they have to offer and make that decision to invest in yourself and your future.